What's the meaning of cover version? Cover version. Cover version.
Cover version. Cover version. A cover version is a new recording of a song that was previously released by someone else. The new recording typically involves a different artist or band performing the original song in their own style. Cover versions can vary significantly from the original and may include changes to the tempo, instrumentation, or lyrics. Some cover versions become more popular than the original, while others fail to capture the same level of success. Nonetheless, cover versions are a popular way for artists and bands to pay tribute to their favorite songs or to put their own spin on a well-known classic.